In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix SteamVR games not launching. We'll move through a clear set of checks and fixes that address the most common causes, keeping everything simple and focused so you can get back into your games. Start by opening Steam and heading to your library. In the search bar, type SteamVR. Right-click SteamVR, choose Properties. Then Installed Files, and select Verify Integrity of Tool Files. This scan compares your local SteamVR files with the latest versions and replaces anything missing or corrupted. Let it run to completion. It can take a few minutes depending on your drive and connection. When it finishes, try launching your VR game again to see if that resolved it. If you still run into trouble, fully close Steam so it's not running in the background. Then right-click the Steam shortcut or icon and choose Run as Administrator. Permission issues in Windows can silently block SteamVR from accessing certain folders or device interfaces, and running as administrator often clears that up. Once Steam opens with elevated permissions, start SteamVR and test your game. Next, make sure your graphics drivers are up to date. Open NVIDIA GeForce Experience or AMD Radeon software and check for driver updates. Outdated or corrupted GPU drivers are a frequent reason VR titles fail to launch or crash on startup. If an update is available, install it and let the software finish any required steps. If you are already on the latest version but still having issues, using these apps to reinstall the current driver can also help. If problems persist, reinstall SteamVR. In your Steam library, right-click SteamVR. Uninstall it, then install it again. This refreshes the core tool files and resets anything that may have become corrupted. Your games and saves remain in your library. You are just replacing the SteamVR components. Now confirm your headset is properly detected by the PC. Make sure the headset is connected and the companion software is open. If you are using a Quest with a link or Air link, open the Oculus PC app and enable the option to allow unknown sources so SteamVR content can run without being blocked. Finally, open the SteamVR status window. If any device icons aren't green, use the menu there to restart SteamVR. This quickly reloads the runtime and drivers and often resolves lingering launch issues. Follow these steps in order, test after each change, and you should be back in your favorite VR worlds. Thanks for watching.